Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before we start our presentation today, I will introduce myself. My name is Uchidi Handini. I come from English Education, University Muhammadiyah of North Sumatra. And this opportunity, I will explain my presentation about the effectiveness of whispering game to students' listening skill. Next. In this research, we know that language has important role for human life, especially for communication. English is one of international language. We use English especially for communication to other people who comes from different countries in the world. English is used many aspects such as business, technology, science, and education. In Indonesia, the government inserted English in the school curriculum component from elementary school until university level. Teaching English as foreign language is not easy because English is a foreign language. Therefore, the teachers have responsibility to teach students to understand the lesson. Next, the research focus on the whispering games. The research limitation problem of the study about the effectiveness of whispering game to students' listening skill at the second semester UMSU. Based on the limitation above, the problem of the research can be formulated as follows. Is there any significant effect of whispering game to students' listening skill at second semester UMSU? In the academic year of 2021 until 2022. Based on the formulation above, the research had the objective of the study is to identify whether whispering game is effectiveness to student listening skill or not of the at or not at of second semester UMSU in academic year 2021 and 2022. Next. The methodology is the kind of this research was an experimental research. It was the type of research which focused on establish the cause-effect relationship. According to Sugiono 2013-22. Experimental research is a research method that used to find influencing a treatment to the other in control condition. In this research, the research analyzed the effectiveness of whispering game to students' listening skill. The experimental design must have two groups, an experimental group and control group. Next, the result. Based on the statistical analysis of hypothesis testing above, the writer discussed the treatment of whispering game in students' listening skill. It was found that the students who were taught by whispering game have been improved the part students' listening skill than the students who were taught by using lecturing method because the students who were taught by whispering game can easily increase new vocabulary. Students could be easier and enjoy to understand in learning process. Based on the data analyzed about student listening skill, the writer found out that the mean of students in experimental class was higher than the mean of students in control class. Then the T count was higher than T table, which means the null hypothesis is accepted. So that whispering game was give significant effect of students' listening skill at of second semester UMSU. And the last is discussion. Based on the research conducted for second semester UMSU, the sum score of experimental group for pretest was 1,290, while the score post-test was 1,740. It showed that its experimental group, there was significant difference between pretest and post-test score. 1,740 until and 1,000 290 was 450, which the post-test was higher than pretest score. The sum score of control group for pretest was 1,320, while the score post-test was 1,565. In the control group, that showed there was significant difference between pretest and post-test score. 1,565 and 1,320 was 245, which the post-test was higher than pre-test score. Based on explanation, it was shown the students that who got treatment by using whispering game obtained more significant improvement than the students who got treatment with closed procedure. Okay, thank you. I think until here my presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.